Forgotten username recovery failed on Changelly App Fix. If you're struggling to recover your Changelly username, most people get this wrong by rushing the process or entering outdated email addresses. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the Changelly app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Changelly will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login information. Step 2. Check all email folders carefully, including spam, junk, and promotions. Emails can be filtered automatically, and submitting multiple recovery requests too quickly may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your email is no longer active, gather verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent transactions. Contact Changelly support with these details. Providing linked payment information or wallet addresses can help speed up the verification process and restore access efficiently. Step 4. Once you recover your username, save it securely in a password manager. Activating two-factor authentication ensures your account remains safe and prevents future login issues. Following these steps ensures a smooth and secure recovery process. Proper verification and careful credential management are key to keeping your Changelly account and crypto safe.